I will verse you for the champ. And there's something that you're going to regret is versing me. Ding, ding, ding. Oh. Let me take my top off. Come on, take my top off. What's this for Bulldozer? You say that I'll wear the top. I'll wear the top. You say yeah, you have to. Cut. He won't take his top off. Not my fault. Yeah, I don't want to yet. He did say. What? Yesterday I said we want to wear the top. No. If we can get it, please. Oh, I'm going to take it. The Bulldozer! One, two, three. Here is your winner. And still, ZOTM Wrestling Champion, the Bulldozer. See you at ZOTM Mania, the first ever pay-per-view. And I'm going to be defending my title versus Flaming Hot. Then I'll have another match later versus Zap. Then I'll have another match versus Crusher. Then still Shadow will not be making his appearance, but his arm won't be better, so he's going back in the ring. The Bulldozer! See what I mean? No one wants to be tag team with me. They think I'm too good, especially that jerk right there. My name's Bulldozer, and you can't beat that.